Hello students, hope you all are pretty fine. Dear students, today we will discuss exercise of chapter number 1. How did he decide it what he wanted to be? Students, I hope that all of you have tried it well. Now students, let's start with the part A. Understanding the story. Little Daddy wanted to pursue various professions. Now complete the table below citing one reason for his choice. Write down here one reason for his choice of these professions. Okay. First of all, beta, Daddy wanted to be a night watchman. Why, beta? What's the reason? Students, he wanted to be a night watchman so that he could keep awake all night and make a noise. Then students, he wanted to be an ice cream man. Now, what's the reason for this, students? He wanted to be an ice cream man because he thought it would be a very tasty way of being grown up. The students, he wanted to be a shunter because he thought it as a wonderful and strange game. And students, he was interested in enjoying the wonderful experience of jumping on the platforms and crawling under the cars. That's why students, he wanted to become a shunter. Then students, fourth one, shepherd. Why he wanted to become a shepherd, students? So that he could spend his days walking about with the cows, cracking his whip loudly. And last, students, he wanted to be a dog. What's the reason for it, students? He wanted to be a dog so that he could scare means किस तरीके से औरों को डरा सकते हैं. Okay, so that he could scare others by barking. So students, like this, write down the reason in the space provided to you. Beta, you can write down in your own language. Okay, write down in your own language here. Now students, let's move on to the part C. Little Daddy thought, if he were a night watchman, कि अगर वो एक night watchman होता, he would keep awake all night and make a noise. And if he were an ice cream seller, he would eat all the ice cream he wanted to. And last one, if he were a shunter, he would jump onto the platforms and crawl under the cars. It's the reason. Now, beta, think about yourself. Okay, think about yourself. Suppose beta, if you were an architect, अगर आप architect होते तो आप क्या करेंगे? So we can write down like this. If I were an architect, I would design unique buildings, or you can write down I would design different, or we can say various buildings. Like this, students, you can write down the student's second one. If I were a detective, then I would solve all the mysterious cases. You know, the students, if I were a cricketer, I would play cricket. And if I were a mariner, then I would sail the boat in the river. And last one, students, if I were a dress designer, अगर आप dress designer होते तो क्या करते? If I were a dress designer, I would design dresses for great personalities. Like this, students, you can write down it here. Okay, do part A and C in your book. Okay, do part A and C in your book. You can write down here as per your choice. Okay, you can write down the reason as per your choice, students. So students, complete part A and C in your book. Now students, let's move on to the part B. Let's start with the part B. Why did Daddy want to be a night watchman? Students, Daddy wanted to be a night watchman so that he could wake up all the night and make a noise. Students, actually he wanted to be a night watchman so that he could make a noise when everyone was sleeping. That's why he wanted to be a night watchman. Then students, what was Daddy's plea in favor of being an ice cream seller, and how did his parents react to it? Beta, Daddy thought that he could eat a lot of ice creams if he became an ice cream seller. डैडी ने क्या सोचा स्टूडेंट्स कि डैडी जो है बहुत सारे आइसक्रीम्स खुद ही ईट कर सकते हैं अगर वो एक आइसक्रीम सेलर बन जाते हैं. एंड he could distribute ice creams free to little children. Moreover बेटा वो जो small children है, little children है, उनको भी distribute कर सकते हैं ice creams free में, like treat दे सकते हैं उनको भी. And बेटा his parents were very surprised because it was quite funny for them. उनके parents बहुत ज़्यादा surprised थे क्योंकि उनके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा funny था. Daddy thought that he could eat a lot of ice creams if he became an ice cream seller, and he could distribute ice creams free to little children. And his parents were very surprised because it was quite funny for them. Next question, students. What efforts did Daddy put in to be a dog? ये students कौन कौन सी efforts की थी Daddy ने? Students, Daddy learned how to bark well. डैडी ने बहुत अच्छे से सीख लिया था कि किस तरीके से बार्क करना है स्ट्रेंजर्स पर. ही ऑल्सो ट्राइड टू लर्न हाउ टू स्क्रैच बिहाइंड हिज ईयर विद हिज फूड. और उसने ये भी ट्राई किया था कि किस तरीके से अपने फूड से अपने ईयर के पीछे स्क्रैच करना है. स्टूडेंट्स, ही ऑल्सो ट्राइड टू बाइट एन एल्डरली लेडी ऑल्सो. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, डैडी learned how to bark well. He also tried to learn how to scratch behind his ear with his foot. Now students, next one. Why was Daddy ashamed of himself after meeting the officer? Ashamed means beta guilty feel karna, embarrassed feel karna. Okay. Students, Daddy was ashamed of himself after meeting the officer because he realized, क्योंकि उनको अभी चीज़ महसूस हो रही थी that he couldn't change his mind every day, कि वो डेली हर वक्त अपना माइंड चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं. and he was too small to know what he wanted to be. और वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा छोटे थे कि उनको ये डिसाइड नहीं कर पाए थे कि उन्हें क्या बनना है. that's why he was ashamed of himself. इसलिए उनको अपने ऊपर guilty feel होने लग गई. Daddy was ashamed of himself after meeting the officer because he realized that he couldn't change his mind every day and he was too small to know what he wanted to be. Then students, what did Daddy finally decide to be when he grew up? Daddy ने लास्ट में बेटा क्या डिसाइड किया था? Students, Daddy finally decided to be a good person, और भी कैसे a good human being, एक अच्छा human being होना चाहिए. Daddy finally decided to be a good person when he would grow up, because students, it's the most important for a pilot, a shepherd and an ice cream man. Okay, now students, why do little children keep changing their mind every now and then? Children keep changing their mind every now and then because students, they try to imitate करना means students to copy the behavior of somebody. जब हम किसी का behavior copy करते हैं, किसी का behavior जो है हम उसको नकल करने की कोशिश करते हैं, that is called imitate. Okay, children keep changing their mind every now and then because they try to imitate what they see around them. क्योंकि वो बेटा अपने चारों तरफ जो भी देखते हैं वो कोशिश करते हैं उसी के कॉपी करने की. एंड दे आर टू यंग टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ राइट फॉर देम. और ये बहुत छोटे होते हैं बेटा, वो उन्हें ये चीज़ क्लियर नहीं होती है कि उनके लिए क्या चीज़ ठीक है और क्या गलत है. सो चिल्ड्रन कीप चेंजिंग देयर माइंड एवरी नाउ एंड देन बिकॉज दे ट्राई टू इमिटेट व्हाट दे सी अराउंड देम एंड दे आर टू यंग टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ राइट फॉर देम. नाउ बेटा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you should be a good human being. Now what according to you should be the traits of a good human being? A good human being बेटा कौन कौन सी qualities होनी चाहिए? Students, a good human being should be honest. Honest होना चाहिए, sincere, hard working, cooperative, एक दूसरे का help करने वाला and sympathetic. So students, a good human being should be honest, sincere, hardworking, cooperative and sympathetic. So students, try to be a good human being. Let's move on to the writing skills part. After meeting the officer, Daddy feels ashamed of himself. Ashamed students, guilty feel karna. Okay, he makes a resolution. Now imagine yourself to be Daddy. Now बेटा अब आपको अपने आप को कैसा बनना है कि आप जो है Daddy हैं, and write a diary entry expressing your feelings. और आपको जो बेटा अपने फीलिंग्स को एक्सप्रेस करना है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ diary entry. Now students, what is a diary entry? Diary entry is a personal form of writing. It is a kind of keeping records of day-to-day activities or events in one's डायरी. ठीक है बेटा, हमारी जो भी एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, इवेंट्स हैं, उनका हम एक रिकॉर्ड जो है डायरी में रखते हैं, लाइक दिस. स्टूडेंट्स, यू शुड राइट एज इफ़ यू हैव रियली बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ द सिचुएशन एंड व्हाट यू आर राइटिंग इज़ योर ऑन एक्सपीरियंस. जैसे कि वो बेटा आपका खुद का ही एक्सपीरियंस हो, जो भी कुछ आप राइट कर रहे हैं. राइट डोंट लाइक दैट, ओके, योर ऑन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, रिमेंबर दीज पॉइंट्स व्हाइल राइटिंग डायरी एंट्री. लाइक बेटा आपको राइट करना है डेट, डे एंड time. Write down date, day and time. Better write down time on the left hand side. Okay, then students, the content should be realistic. And at last students, writer's name should be written in the end on the left hand side. Like this students, we can write down first of all date, then time, then day. It's Saturday. So how can we write? Today is the special day of my life. I realized my force when everyone asked me what I wanted to be. I changed my choices so frequently, means quickly. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी वो अपनी choices को change करता है डैडी. Therefore, everyone laughed at me. इसलिए सभी मेरे पर हंसते थे. Firstly, I wanted to be a night watchman, then an ice cream seller, then a shunter, etc. But one day I decided to become a dog. But एक दिन मैंने क्या decide किया? To become a dog. Very strange, है ना students? I tried to bark at strangers. I sat like a dog outside the house. Meanwhile, an officer who was passing through the street noticed me and asked me what I was doing. Then beta, I told him, मैंने उनको बताया that I wanted to be a dog. And on hearing my absurd choice, मेरी इस foolish choice को सुनकर, he further asked if I didn't want to be a good person and left. और वहाँ से वो चला गया. I felt ashamed. उसे अपने पर बहुत शर्म आने लगी, बहुत guilty feel करने लग गया. Now I have decided that I will become a good person. Why? Because it is the most important. बेटा क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा important है to be a good human being. Okay? Because it is the most important for all प्रोफेशंस. बेटा आप कोई भी प्रोफेशन चूज़ कर रहे हो तो आपके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है टू बी अ गुड ह्यूमन बींग. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ट्राई टू बी अ गुड person. And last students, write down daddy means writer's name should be written in the end. Okay students, like this students, you can write down diary entry. Look at this picture carefully now beta. It's a collage of different professions. Now beta, do this activity in scrap file and prepare a collage of different professions. Students, you can take pictures from magazines or from newspaper. Okay, जहाँ से बेटा आपको easy लगता है, comfortable लगता है, you can take pictures, you can collect them and then student paste it in scrap file. or students, you can use A4 size sheet as you like. बेटा जैसे भी आपको सही लगता है, you can do this activity. Okay, so students, you can choose different professions like pilot, doctor, actor, shepherd. जो भी डैडी बनना चाहता था, you can choose any and then students prepare a beautiful collage. Okay, do this activity students as soon as possible. Okay students, I hope students all of you have understood it well. Now students, revise all the question answers and do this activity. That's all for today students. Thanks and have a nice day.